This is an Afro-American girl.
American Girl sent you their newest doll, Courtney.
Let me see.
Are you ready?
Yes.
I don't think you're ready.
Yes. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. American Girl dolls?
Uh-huh.
Whoa. There's so many accessories. She's got a cool bed. She's got a flower plant. She's even got a phone.
But guess what the coolest part is?
What?
This doll is when I was born in the 80s.
That's cool.
I know! Isn't that so cool?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, she looks so cute.
Wait, Daya.
What?
What if we do a makeup look like the 80s?
Yeah.
Should we?
Yeah.
Make it look like Courtney?
Yeah, that'd be so fun.
Okay, let's do it.
Yes.
Man, so many cool things, Daya.
I know. Mom, do you want to help me get Courtney ready?
I thought you'd never ask.
Let's do it.
Okay. Let's see.
Do you want to get her out and I'll get some of her accessories out?
Yeah.
And they even come like a shoebox.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. These are so cute.
Those are way cute. Damn, look at Courtney.
She's so pretty. I love her skirt.
That is a way cute skirt. Yes. I want that skirt.
Me too.
And look, it comes with her book.
Oh, that's cool.
All about her. You're definitely gonna have to read this.
Yes. This one kind of looks cool. I'm gonna open this one.
Oh my gosh, Mom, look at this outfit.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's like a little dress. And one thing cool about this set is you get hangers on here. So I can hang her stuff on here. So here is Courtney out of the package. She looks really cute.
She's so cute. Now we gotta decide what she's gonna wear.
I know.
Although her outfit she's wearing right now is really cute.
Yeah, I really like this. I honestly think we should, I don't know.
I mean, we've seen her in that outfit. Maybe we should change it.
Okay, I am thinking we try these blue leggings.
Cute.
So I'm gonna take off. Oh my gosh, these boots are so cute.
They're so cute.
I love these boots.
Little booties. Let's change her into outfit number 1.
Alright guys, so we dressed her and I think she looks so cute. I love this freaking jean jacket.
Oh, I
And
want this jacket.
I know.
So cute.
Okay, so there's a few things that I wanted to put on her. She comes with a cute little watch that I want to put on her wrist. It's like an actual watch.
And she's gotta have a fanny pack, Daya, because that was totally big in the 80s.
Yes.
Look at that.
She's got a little fanny pack. Okay.
Fanny packs are coming back.
And she comes with some bracelets.
Ooh, definitely gotta do the big bracelet.
Which one?
Look at her cute little caboodle kit.
I know.
You know what? These first came out in the 80s.
Whoa. There's nail stickers for her, so we can do her nails.
Cute. Little hair accessories. Ooh, what about putting her headphones on?
And she also comes with this.
Do you know what that is?
Not really.
This was called a cassette player, and you would have your music on a little tape like that.
Okay.
And you'd put.
This is the coolest thing. Look, you can open it up, put it in here, and then you close it.
And then you plug in player to the cassette tape, and then the music would come out.
And then she can hold it in her hand.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, she looks so cute. And she comes with a bunch of different scrunchies. She comes with this pink one, this green one, this like velvety pink, and velvety blue.
She even has just like a little headband.
Yeah, should I do the headband or the bow?
The bow.
Bow. And she has these pink shoes on. She also has like a necklace that has a lipstick like on the end of it.
Look at this. She even has a little lunchbox set. Look at this. It's Pac-Man. Because Courtney loves video games like you, Daya.
Yeah. There's foods.
Make her lunch.
I'm gonna make her lunch. And it comes with a handle so she can hold it. Put in those apple slices.
Got a brownie.
I love brownies.
She's got a little sandwich. Back in the 80s, they used to have these mugs like this. You could take off the top and it was a little cup.
Oh, that's cool.
And then you'd open that up and you could have cold or hot drinks in here.
That
and
is
pour it in.
really cool. Oh, there's cheese puffs in there. And when she's done, she can do that and put it back on the lid.
Should we get her room ready?
Yes. Okay. She comes with a phone. Look at this.
Oh, it even rings.
I know. Hello? I'm gonna put her boodle right here.
And there's stickers that you can hang on her wall.
They're like posters. Put some on. I'm gonna put this ice cream one on. I love ice cream.
Oh, here's a cute calendar. Look.
I think you can hang it on the wall.
Yeah.
There's little stickers.
And Daya, when she's done with her tape, it's got a tape case. Some more cute accessories. Oh,
at her
she's got
wall.
like a book kit. This is like her school stuff.
She's got a puppy eraser. Okay, so she's got a blue pencil.
The teacher's really rad, showing dance moves in the classroom, making learning fun like that. He says, dream big of the goal you will achieve. So she's gonna make a video game the best you've ever seen. Galaxy Explorer, no challenge too tough for her. Level up, she goes for it.
Alright guys, so see this pin right here? Her mom is running for mayor. So she has that and she's got a little poster that says,
Maureen for mayor.
yep.
Maybe I should run for mayor.
See these pencils right here, you guys?
She's got a little pencil case.
Yeah, she's got a pencil box, so you can put like her pencils in, just like that. And then I'm gonna put her eraser in, and then we can close that up. She has a binder,
And there's little folders.
you can put them in. So cute.
It actually has the folder.
That is so cool. And then close it. And it came with these stickers, so I'm gonna put on these.
Yeah.
One more right there.
Cute. In the 80s, these little clips like this, you would put them in the back of your hair and it would go on like that, and then the hair would kind of come out like a mohawk.
There's hairspray. So you can take off the lid and you can actually push it down.
Oh, look at the makeup, Daya. Pics were super popular in the 80s. Look, Daya, she even comes with her own doll too.
Oh my gosh.
These were the original ones, Daya. These were the ones that came out when I was a little girl. These were so popular. Samantha, this is the one that I wanted. Look at, she got Molly. Every little girl at Christmas time when I was a little girl wanted an American Girl doll.
Comes with glasses, you guys. Look at this.
Oh, she's so cute. You know what I'm thinking?
What?
I love her outfit. Wait a second. I'll be right back. What do you think? I know. Don't be jealous of this awesome outfit. This is 80s. This is cool.
Not anymore.
But I still need to do my hair and my makeup, and we need to get you in your outfit too.
Oh boy.
Let's do it. Okay, Daya, are you ready yet?
I'm ready.
Let's see it. Oh yeah! You look awesome. That is so 80s.
Yeah.
Okay, now we just have to do our hair and our makeup. And where do we have to go for that?
Magical makeup room.
Let's do it.
Wait. I need to grab Courtney.
Oh, hurry. Get her.
No.
All right.
Got it.
Ready? Woo, woo, woo.
We're here. Perfect.
80s makeup was just like their clothes. Super bright, pinks, blues, purples, all the fun things.
I'm gonna do Courtney's makeup. So here's her little makeup kit. It says Dreamer on it. It's like a paint palette. It comes with a little brush and it comes with a bunch of these colors.
I'm gonna get started on my makeup.
I'm gonna do kind of a little bit of my foundation, just a few drops. I don't wanna do too much.
All right, I think I'm gonna do purple,
pink.
pink, and blue. So I'm gonna start with some pink in my crease.
Super bright.
Super bright. That's what it was all about. Now I'm gonna do blue on my eyelid. Fun colors. 80s looks are so perfect for like Halloween too.
That's what I was just thinking.
And then I've got like some fun eyeliners. Courtney is super cool because she's all about taking risks and being super creative, which is so like Daya. Daya loves to try new things, to create new things, and Courtney's dream is to create her own video game.
That'd be cool.
Wouldn't that be cool?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna try the yellow in the crease. I might even add some of this green, because why not? The more color, the better. I'm taking a risk, just like Courtney. Add some mascara.
Gonna try to do my liner, my eyeliner. Now I'm doing my eyeshadow. I mean, I already did that. I mean my mascara.
I'm gonna do the blush, and they had very bright blush.
Oh no.
So we're gonna do a bright pink blush. And it was like a stripe up the cheek. I mean, who wouldn't think that is just like so beautiful? Okay, and then last, bold pink lips. Then for eyebrows, their eyebrows were always super, super skinny. My eyebrows, there's no way I'm making these bad boys skinny, so I'm just gonna leave mine, but we can do Daya's skinny.
Oh no.
Best look ever. Okay, now we're gonna do Daya's eyebrows. Gonna make them really thin. The thing back in the 80s was to pluck your eyebrows so that they were super thin like that.
Ow.
But some girls, they would pluck them and then they wouldn't grow back, and so then they had terrible eyebrows.
one of her dresses are exactly like this.
I'm gonna do my hair in a ponytail, just kind of up on the side, because that's how they did it in the 80s. And I think you should do yours like Courtney. We have these, which are hair curlers. So what you would do with these is you would get your hair wet at night, and then you would wrap it around the curler, and then you would bend them like that, and then you'd sleep on it, and then when you woke up, you'd take them out and you'd have ringlets.
Like this?
Like Courtney's. So let's do our hair.
Okay.
You look just like Courtney. Twins!
Yeah.
So cute. I love it. Courtney loves slumber parties too. So, should we go and get some popcorn ready and have our own slumber party?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
Woo, 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 woo. Courtney comes with this cute sleepover set. This looks so cute. So let's get it ready. Now me and Courtney are ready. We both have cute Care Bear PJs. Come on, Courtney. And popcorn. We're ready for our movie.
All ready for the movie?
Yep.
Courtney's ready.
Okay.
Thanks for dressing up with me today. Had so much fun.
Me too.
Did you love the 80s?
Yeah.
Pretty awesome, huh?
Did you, Courtney?
I think she did.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching me, Courtney, and my mom get ready.
Thank you, American Girl, for paying me and helping me create this video.
If you love Courtney as much as I do, I'll have more information down in the description box below.
You can just click the link.
Thanks so much for playing with me, Mom.
You're welcome, babe. I loved it. Loved getting to dress up with you.
Me too. Alright guys, gotta finish my movie. Bye. Say bye, Courtney. Bye.
This is an ad for American Girl.